Is it on? It's on right now? Okay. Hello. My name is Don Cyndome, and I'm doing a review today on my favorite hat. My mom bought this for me. It's a bird hat, and it's good for the summertime because you can put it on and you can look really cool in the summertime, but it's good because it looks cool and it got a thing so the sun don't burn you on the face. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put it on. This is how, hold on a second, I can't even see out of this. Is the camera still on? Okay. This is what a bird hat looks like when you put it on, and it's good for the summertime. My mom bought me this hat. I like to wear it. You want to say anything else? Okay. And this has been the Silly Reviews on a.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.